Remove the air conditioning vent. And unclip the two clips at the back. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the two screws on the panel. Remove the control panel. Unclip the latch at the back. Remove the two screws from the main unit. Remove the two screws at the bottom of the screen. Unplug the power and video cables from the head unit. Unplug the cable after removing the screen. Connect our wiring to the original vehicle wiring. Start the car and check whether the CarPlay function is working properly. The module can be secured underneath the main unit. Finally, reinstall the parts you removed earlier in the order in which they were taken out.